This is the handwork of Okreka. If I will go Okreka, look at the money from OK. This is in the heart of Cotonou, Benin Republic, and it belongs to Igbo man from Abeba. Hospital now, hospital 19 nwoke n'obodo a na Cotonou ka hospital a dị. Ife n'obodo a na-akpọ ya bụ clinic, mana n'ụlọ ịma nọ hospital nwere ife na-adịrị ebe a. Adịfe ji wee rụọ ụlọ abụọ maka ndị na-arụ ọrụ na company office. Ọ bụrụ na ị nwee issue bịa ebe a treat gị.
Massive warehouse and a modern warehouse.
So this is a modern warehouse and very massive.
Yeah.
Built
one of its kind in Benin Republic.
Benin Republic.
Yeah.
This is just the beginning. No? Follow me. Hey. Let's follow this side. Just go see her. There. See wonder. Follow me. Just if I have buyers, clothes, different. Hey. Can you see? Ja, follow me. Follow here. Let's. Hey! Shineke. Hey! Hey! This is too much, man. Follow me.
I was opportune to get this area, to get this particular place. So I just bought it over.
Wow. This is massive.
Name the price and I bought it over. So and after for now, I have not started making use of it fully.
Okay.
But when I have overflow of goods, I used to keep it here for some time.
So there's some goods here?
Yeah, there are some here. As you can see.
Open on this way, was Ara here na bazigi.
For now, I'll just it's a residential. But because I have not renovated it to make it look beautiful, so for now I'm still using it when I have overflow of goods.
So the mansion is a park in Guahia. Overflow. You know what? This is only mansion in the whole West Africa that the park goes inside. Open all this in many. This is so, hey, I have to greet you. This is massive. I never expected this. Only the people will follow. Why is it that the people who are doing wonderful things are not making noise?
It is still under construction, but we will finish it by the grace of God.
God will help you to finish it and even add more, because I already finished it.
This is built under 2,000 square meter.
2,000 square meter.
Yeah.
So 2,000 square meter.
A massive warehouse and a modern warehouse.
So this is a modern warehouse and very massive.
Yeah.
Built
one of its kind in Benin Republic.
Benin Republic.
Yeah.
So by an Igbo man.
Yeah. So this is the Opicin sorting center.
This will be a modern, ultra modern company.
If you check well, you will see my initial planted here. P.
Okay.
I.
Okay.
S. O.
Okay. This is the name. Look at it. O person. This is O P T or I O P I S O N.
Yes.
This is massive, man. So this is the big warehouse. Wow.
Yes.
I have to shout. Show them. Let's see how big it is. Follow me, because this is no more a joke. So I thought we will show you people where rent and the people are working there. He rented that place. So, but he's building this place in modern way. Extraordinary, very big, massive. Everything there about if I'm with his initial under it, you see it
where we can employ people.
Where
we can employ 400 to 500 workers can be working here.
At a go.
Yeah, just to create more jobs.
You see the foresight. He's not only building this only to make money alone by himself. This place will be accommodating more than 400 people at a go. This is too much. Do you people remember the one vintage house we visited in Abreba? That was his father's house. Do you understand? And the this is massive, man. In Lome, Benin Republic. Let me tell you one thing that amazed me here. This man is creating jobs for Nigerians outside Nigeria. You understand? This is Benin Republic, and he's creating job for Nigeria in Benin Republic. Do you understand the point here? So he's in Benin Republic here, I think you saw about more than 100 people working on the other rented warehouse. This is his now new warehouse that he's building. This place is going to accommodate more than 400 people, and those people will be Nigerians. Another Togolese, some of them will work here. So he's creating job for Nigerians outside Nigeria. So onye nke a dị egwu onye nọ na Nigeria na Nigeria ọrụ. So this is massive, man. So onye fụdị ka ya tụrụ gosi fenu gosi see how big it is. Ma onye anụ abụ onye ebe a onye Igbo creating job outside Nigeria. So kedu ife anyị ekwu onye na-ere okereka na-eme ife a ọ bụrụ azụkwa nọ na-atụ ihe oke ife onye na-ere oke respect anya na ọ bụrụ biznes ụmụazị. So sọsọ ndị Igbo ihe na-ejide ihe asị na onwere ife ọ bụ were kpata ego. Ihe ahụ warehouse okay. You know what? This is warehouse. This warehouse ever got store okay. Akwa na so nwere for me. Man buy that church na the matter you okay. No okay ko yi. This is the handwork of okay. Ego okay ke ja refa. This is big, man. This is massive. What do you say? Oye fu dike ya to ya. Dike bu dike.
So
If ife nwoke na eme.
up there is houses, is apartments. Apartments. Apartments are built there. We have one apartment over there. We have another apartment over here. We have offices over there. When you check here,
Okay.
this is offices. I built offices there. You see,
Okay.
offices here.
Yeah.
There are also canteen built there where workers will be eating. You know, so there are toilets. You know,
Okay.
everything have the four angles. So this is 85% completed. By the time we are done with the piling of the offices, then everything, the beauty will come out and we'll paint it. And I'll bring another wonderful machine here where the belts will be made, second-hand clothing. We have a supplier from all over the world, from UK, from Europe, both East and Western Europe. So that's our business.
You were saying something. You said you want to do something that will get women employed.
Yeah, that is part of it.
Okay.
Just with this warehouse, I know I will try to create another sector here where women will be allowed to work and all the facilities needed for them. You see, so that is my vision.
So
That's my vision.
and you learn this when you travel abroad.
I used
That
to
where you
travel
see
abroad
them working.
yes, I travel abroad, and I always see that not only men short clothes in abroad,
Okay.
women are also involved. In fact, 65% of those workers there are women.
And
So when I come over here, I see some women who are jobless, depending on the men, and the men will be struggling, working overtime to make sure their families are fine. So when the women also they have the strength to do the work also, but because the opportunities are not given to them, how can they do that? No way. So I now think that it's possible when you build a bigger warehouse, you allow women to work for you too. So that is what my vision, part of my vision. You know, I have so many visions, but this is just part of them. You see, so that's it.
this is no more a vision, it's not a mission. You are a mission, you were sent to liberate people, you are sent to give back to people who need it. This is too much. You see, not only that he's opening here, but to give job to women. Our women need job. And he saw this outside and he decided to do it here. This is massive. When we talk about the women, you know, when you cross border, you'll be seeing our women in some places hustling with their body, doing all sorts of hookup and ashawo. But this kind of job outside can take more than 100 people outside the streets and give them, and they will not do that kind petty thing, selling their body to make money. You see the value he's creating. This is too much because some of our guys need a place to work, but they don't have a place to go and work. They will not have any option than to sell their body.
That's it.
That's for money. So, but if this place this kind of place are many, I think you will not see them in the streets. Doing a shower job. So I have to give you a handshake again.
Thank you.
God will bless you for even thinking this way. This is too much. This is more than.
It is not just about investing or making more money, multiplying money. No, some investments are just to help the community. Nigeria in diaspora. I know they need a job because they left the country. They are outside here, even though this country is close to them. But what kind of job, manual labor that they can do? So since I'm happy, I'm privileged to find myself in this sector, and in this sector, this second-hand clothing sector, can create thousands of jobs. one day. It can create thousands of jobs within one day.
Yes.
So with this kind of facility here, it can create 500 jobs. Every day they will be working. Every day they'll be working. Every day they'll be
Wow.
working. So that's it.
Wow, this is innovation.
Yeah.
I love that.
Thank
So
you.
guys,
So as you can
this
see,
is our
still under construction.
you know, sir, all on Agakwa,
Yeah.
24
So,
hours, I know,
by the time they finish,
you know,
you
sir.
guys can come again and see the real beauty. And hopefully by that time, people will be here working and you see for yourself. And when they will get in their payment, you will also see them getting paid. They don't work without getting their salary, without getting their wages. They work and they'll get paid at the same time.
We'll be
So,
there. This is
yeah.
what we do.
Yeah.
After it's completed, we'll come and show you people here. And don't forget it's Opson. Oh, Opison. That is company name, Opison. Everyone for Opison respect. And overall also ego ka ọ na-achụ. Ọ na-achụ na help humanity. Nke a kara. Onye abụrụba ka ọ bụ. Onye Igbo. Igbo kwenu. Wee. This is the first room. So, agaghị rụtụsịrị ebe a.
Yes, ala rutechara ebe a. O rutechara ebe a. This one legally is mine. But
Okay.
no, I decided here because of
Yeah,
tomorrow.
more than 10 meters.
Yes,
Back.
okay.
This is knowledge.
Ịjọ na aha na-abụ nke maka na ọkwa nda plot of land ka m hapụrụ ebe a nke a na-ede ebe
Yes.
mana ebe a ka anyị si pụta ugbu a. We just came out from here.
Yes.
It has got two double
Here
land.
and here.
And here. That's it. So as you can see,
This is
that
massive.
is it. Yeah. So I give the space in case tomorrow I want to
Yeah,
I made the office now. We'll write his name there. Not now. When we finish, I'm going to say mayor.
Yes.
I'll acquire there. Yes.
If we do this one,
Yes.
put it there.
I get it.
Because now, of course, for Mazgan.
Yeah. That's
If
it.
I'm part of my mouth, I'm okay. Okay. If only me father make noise. This only I know they create a job outside. I know about it. I don't know if you're not so. Hey, so it's only Igbo people that you know that every business is something. Mandinere Okrika. This is the handwork of Okrika. If I will go Okrika, look at the money from OK. This is in the heart of Cotonou, Benin Republic, and it belongs to Igbo man from Abeba, Oyenere Okrika. Aqua, second hand, yeah. Because I want to show them something. Look at it here. Ubaja, Upe, Chuku. These are not 2 PG. I'm not if I have French. So this is Afoni Igbo here. This mansion belongs to him. So he took us around all his company and his factories. So Ebon and Yendi Ball. Money man evidence too. So I spoke I go to Kavo, I go to Kunu. Kunu feel like now. If I put a man who ne we go, you check it there. Abeba people only made this business introduced in this country. In our now, how can you make a business introduce Oporoko? Now Nigeria, they are too much. You don't want to move. So it's a mansion and it belongs to our brother. Only Boba. If you phone I name So let's go inside. So it's not only if you are government but
No,
just no like play.
no, just because this warehouse here.
Okay.
So I know when it starts functioning, we would like a resident near it.
Okay.
So that is why I was opportune to get this area, to get this particular place. So I just bought it over.
Wow. This is massive.
Name the price and I bought it over. So and after some time, for now, I have not started making use of it fully.
Okay.
But when I have overflow of goods, I used to keep it here for some time.
So there's some goods here.
Yeah, there are some here. As you can see.
Open on the street was ara here na bazigi.
So for now, I'll just it's a residential, but because I have not renovated it to make it look beautiful, so for now I'm still using it when I have overflow of goods.
Oh, you see.
So
the mansion Leja Park in Guahia. Overflow. You know what? This is only mansion in the whole West Africa that the park goes inside. Open all this in many and this
is supposed to be parlor. Look at which I will arrange much later after renovation. So we don't have much time. We could have gone up and see everything. But when you look through this window, you'll be seeing some bells there too. You see?
Evidence choke.
It's just because of this thing.
Evidence choke. Look at interior. Just look at this house. Goose the Quebec
just up everywhere.
Huh?
But
Man, ndị Igbo nwere nke ha na-adị eme. Oh, maka because of this, that's why they're building bigger warehouse so that everything will be there.
yeah, everything will be there. So this is residential. It's not for
So
warehouse.
the only promise we'll give you people is that when this house is full, furnished, we'll come back.
Yes.
To have a proper tour. Imanu ka ise mana na-eji anya full marama.
Yes, that's it.
A na-eji anya full marama. Ima ndị abụrịba ha na-agba last. Ị na-afụ ka ha si eme ihe nke ha. A na-egu na ekwuri iwe go ya. So next side those guys is a beautiful mansion. Show them. This is massive, man. Lying here now. This is Opison Depot. This is Depot. Let's go inside. Christmas. For the wonder somebody is creating here. Like sometimes now Jose, is it for real? Huh? Look at it. If I have different kind of clothes, use clothes, different my JCO, my fleo, underwear, any kind of you know whatever, jeans, even not my bed sheets, pillowcase, everything. Just look at bears, thousands. This is thousands. This is depot. Hey, and you people, you followed us. You know that we have visited different kind of different places, and this is the main depot. Follow me. Look at it. Look at it. Jesus Christ. Open before. You have different kind of clothes, different kinds. About the same thing. Oh. If I for now, they know the kind like different. Thought the gas case we can gas here. Carbon can. It was called Neja. Yeah. This is just the beginning. Oh. Follow me. Hey. Ha. Let's follow this side. Just go see her. There. See wonder. Follow me. Just if I have bears, clothes, different. Hey. Can you see? Ja, follow me. Follow here. Let's. Hey. Shineke. Hey. Hey. This is too much, man. No, follow me. If I don't go back.
Mayo, Maka.
Another quad.
Ogosugo gi Ini go daga lego there now.
And I back with Buru. After Nazo. So, abroad by Econ, Chama, like, how do you, like, you know, these people, like, last time we visited where they are working, they're packaging some bread like this. Many people are there. So, now ask, because you told us that maybe one person is daily. And ask, how do you manage to pay all those people? I want to ask you, because this is too much. Even different places. There are many workers here. People are working every place. People. So now it's now over 100 people.
That's what we call. We try to make impact into the government economy by employing people. So all those funds are being generated from the business we are doing. So, so from the little profit I will make, I prefer to make 2% profit instead of making 5% profit, so that the remaining 3% profit I will inject it into employment. You know, to employ people, and you know.
So what of even the government tax and all those things?
Here I pay my taxes. All the business we are doing is very transparent. It's a transparent business. There is no way you can hide. If you bring in 10 containers, the government already know that you are bringing in 10 containers. They are expecting you to pay the tax equivalent to the containers you bought in.
So you don't hide your business.
No. It's not hidden.
So the government of the republic know that we exist.
They know that I'm existing, and they know the volume of business I'm doing. There is no way I can hide. There is no way I can run away. A goldfish has no hiding place. You see, golden fish has no hiding place. So you have to do that. Pay your taxes, and you'll be free. And you employ people, you pay them, and they too will be able to feed their families. Every month, it fluctuates anyway, depends on how many containers we bring in the particular month.
Okay.
But it fluctuates between 12 to 18 million CFA yearly, monthly.
Monthly?
Yeah, monthly. Because before you can sort a container, you must have spent $2,500 equivalent one container. So you can imagine when you sort 20 to 30 containers, you can imagine roughly how much you must have spent, you know. So that's it. So in a year, you can see you will spend not less than $300,000 paying your workers just in a little way.
So to pay workers,
Mm.
this is too much. So look at the amount they are calling. So this is impact being created by one person, an Igbo man. Oborokwa Ejero, the school of business.
And there are many of us here in this town, so you can imagine how much.
There's a competition, no?
Yes.
Because they have other people who are also importers
Yes.
doing the same business
Yes.
and the same only book. Because if you man on yours,
Maya.
Maya,
Okay.
come on, the Chineke, Chukwu over the ditch.
I forgot no Fuchuku.
So this is too much. So guys, so the what remains now is that some people, our own generation, they don't like to work, but they want to make money. So now there are some young youths who want to be like officers, but they don't want to work. What is our advice to those kind of people?
Yeah, there is no way you can eat or feed yourself without working. You don't rely on other people. Otherwise, you turn yourself to a thief. I advise people, especially the youth, don't look for the fast way. Before we arrive at this level, we started little and gradually, from one belt to two belts, from two belts to four belts, from four. Sometimes we go backward, forward, because some people will buy goods on credit, they will not pay. You will lose your money, you will start afresh. So patience, endurance, and honesty. You have to be honest to your suppliers, honest to your workers, and honest to, your customers also. So like that, I believe if your destiny is to be big, you'll be big.
I love that. So one of them is honesty.
Honesty.
Izoku Bondo.
Ezoku now.
So this is our boss. So if I go from us, oh yeah, breva. Breva that like him if we can do the house and make it. That's the only problem I have with them. This is Opison Hospital. That's an Opison Clinic. You know, here they call it clinic. The one they call hospital is the one, the general hospital, the one that's built by government. And this clinic belongs to our brother, the man who just took us around his continents. And this is one of his extraordinary pen that he's doing in this country. Mind you, this clinic is in Cotonou, Benin Republic, belonging to our Igbo brother. Come, because you know, look at the name again. Ogbaja Opiel Chuku. Come and see the hospital now. Because see it. So from Abreba man. And Abreba de me for Mazi. Look at it. Clinic Opison. By French name. If you are and we will do proper documentary very soon. We just want to show you. So this hospital is where his workers come to treat themselves whenever they are sick. Opening a royal in issue, many things will be here. And is our person, our brother who is doing all those things. So that is the purpose of this hospital. Ndị obodo na-arụ ọrụ, ọrụ nọọsụ ndị na-amagasịrị ma ndị obodo. So ndị obodo na-ebenefiti, ndị be anyị na-ebenefiti. Ife a bụ ife nwa be anyị na-eme, onye abịrịba, son of the soil. Ife a na-eme na dị iche. That is one thing about them. Ha na-echi mmụọ na-akwa aka. Ama nke na ghọta na. So, Christmas. This is massive, man. In London, just look around. N'obodo ọzọ, bụrụkwa na be anyị. Ka ịmakwa ife na-eme na be anyị. Hey! Ọ dị egwu.